Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, this is the another emergency update of Bittorrent token. Keep watch this video till the end, and if you're new on my channel, click the subscribe button and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the Bittorrent token is going wrong. What's the current situation of Bittorrent? What will be the next move, the next target of Bittorrent token? In this video I will show you, so keep watch. And if you have any questions about Bittorrent token, about a cryptocurrencies market, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions. Let's begin the video and let's start the video, my friends. But please subscribe ABS Tech channel, please, I request you. My friends, the latest price of the Bittorrent token in the market at this time is 0.003708 USD dollar. And a dollar, I'm talking the price of the Bittorrent token. And on the other side, now at this time the price is going positive, but I checked the 1 hour ago the price update of the Bittorrent token, so the price is going wrong. But now there's a good news for all BTT holders and also for me, that the BTT start moving positive. My friends, the last 1 hour, last 1 day price is going positive, so absolutely that's a good idea for everyone and good news for everyone. And now remember, my friends, trust me, now this time the cryptocurrencies is completely fast down, completely, not only BTT, not VeChain, XRP, Cardano, every coin at this time is the market is going down. But Bittorrent token is a unique coin this time in the market, that the last 1 hour and last 1 day the both changes is going positive. That is a unique, my friends, trust me. And oh my friends, they start a jump, and my friends, I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time. That is my prediction about a Bittorrent token, my friends. My prediction is going positive about BTT. Trust me, BTT will take a huge pump in the next 3 days. There is a chances, my friends. We can't see about the future, but there is a chances to BTT take a jump in the future 3 days, my friends. That is my prediction. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about BTT? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.